Vinyl windows are a popular choice among Kendall homeowners because they're affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. But like any part of your home, they can develop issues over time, especially in South Florida's hot, humid climate. The good news? Most vinyl window problems can be fixed quickly and effectively when handled by local professionals who understand the region's unique weather, building styles, and environmental challenges. If your vinyl windows aren't performing the way they should, here are the most common issues homeowners face, and how Kendall window experts solve them. Warping from heat and sun exposure. Kendall's year-round sunshine is a major draw, but constant UV exposure can cause vinyl window frames to expand, contract, or warp over time. Warping can lead to drafts, difficulty opening the window, and reduced energy efficiency. How Kendall experts fix it? They assess whether the frame can be realigned or reinforced. If warping is severe, they replace the sash or entire frame with heat-resistant vinyl designed for Florida climates. They recommend UV-resistant coatings and energy-efficient glass to minimize future heat damage. Local installers know which vinyl brands handle Florida heat best, making their recommendations vital. Fogging or moisture between the glass panes. Foggy windows happen when the seal between the panes fails, allowing moisture to seep inside. Humidity in Kendall can accelerate seal failure, leaving windows looking cloudy and reducing visibility. How experts fix it? They inspect the window to confirm whether the seal is broken. In some cases, they can reseal or repair the insulated glass unit, IGU. If damage is extensive, they replace the IGU while keeping the existing frame, saving you money. They use sealants designed for humid climates to prevent repeat issues. Professionals ensure proper installation to avoid future moisture problems. Difficult or sticking window operation. Humidity and salt in the air, especially for homeowners closer to the coast, can affect hardware and tracks, making vinyl windows difficult to slide or lift. How experts fix it? They clean and lubricate tracks using products safe for vinyl frames. They replace worn-out rollers, locks, or balance systems. If the window was installed incorrectly, they adjust it to ensure smooth operation. Local technicians understand how Florida's climate impacts window hardware and use solutions specifically designed to withstand corrosion. Drafts and energy loss. If your vinyl windows are letting in air, you may notice rising utility bills or uneven temperatures inside your Kendall home. Drafts often occur when seals wear down or when windows shift slightly due to hurricane-force winds or building settling. How experts fix it? Apply new, high-quality weather stripping around the frame. Recaulk exterior joints using waterproof, heat-resistant sealants. Adjust or refit the window sash to close gaps. Recommend impact-rated or insulated vinyl windows when replacement is needed. Professionals ensure your windows deliver the energy efficiency they were designed for. Cracked or damaged frames. Vinyl is durable, but Florida's storms can cause debris impact or stress cracks in the frame. Even small cracks can let moisture in or weaken energy performance. How experts fix it? Small cracks are sealed with vinyl-safe epoxy or patching materials. Larger damage may require replacement of the sash or entire window. Experts also check for hidden moisture intrusion behind the frame. Local pros know how to identify weather-related damage that homeowners often miss. Mold or mildew around the window. High humidity in Kendall can lead to mold growth around window frames, especially if condensation consistently builds up. How experts fix it? They clean and treat mold-affected areas with safe, effective products. Improve ventilation and recommend glass upgrades to reduce condensation. Inspect for underlying water leaks to prevent recurring issues. Kendall specialists understand how moisture behaves in South Florida homes and address the root cause, not just the surface problem. Final thoughts. Vinyl windows are an excellent choice for Kendall homes, but South Florida's climate can create unique challenges. The key to long-lasting, high-performing windows is working with local experts who understand the area's humidity, heat, and storm conditions. With professional assessment, repair, and maintenance, even common vinyl window problems can be resolved quickly, keeping your home comfortable, efficient, and beautiful year-round.